Hey guys, welcome to one more interesting tech talk show. So today we have Ashrita and she is doing her Bachelor's of Business Administration from Aditya Degree College, Rajahmundry. Welcome Ashrita and how are you?
Fine, sir.
And say something about your graduation journey first.
Well, I joined in college exactly 1 month ago.
Okay,
So we made friends and the lectures are going on still.
fine.
We,
Like you are doing BBA right now, isn't
yes,
it?
sir.
And before BBA, like you have done your intermediate from science background or commerce background?
Science, sir.
Science, like it's MPC.
Yes, sir.
So how come you shifted from MPC to BBA? Is
I
there any
found
reason?
interest in BBA, sir, after
Okay.
MPC.
After MPC, you realized that engineering
Yes,
is
sir.
not your cup of tea.
Yes, sir.
Management is your cup of tea. Even Shrita, I have realized in our weekly sessions, you have more of the business mindset. You have more of the management mindset. When I interacted with you a couple of times, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So Asrita, like you have joined for the coding classes also.
Yes, sir.
So first I want to ask you, like what made you to enroll for coding classes? Is it any relation with your BBA degree?
Actually, sir, for BBA, we need coding, sir, because for future programs and all, we need coding. And if we start from this time and we can, we can improve our coding sessions and all by
Okay.
completing the post graduation and all.
Like you'll get good hands-on
Yes, sir.
expertise. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So before joining my classes, before joining this Code Junior, uh, do you have any experience on computers? Have you worked with that?
No, sir. Only MS Office.
Only basic MS Office
Yes, sir.
you have learned. So guys, those who are watching this particular recording, you might be recording in, you might be watching this recording through WhatsApp or through YouTube. So guys, if you want to really join for coding classes, then I'll give a link below this video in the description box. You can just click the link and join in my WhatsApp group. And there I'll be sharing the updates about my next coding free workshop. And if you know Ashrita, then you can directly contact her and you can know about these coding classes and she'll definitely help you to understand what this is all about. Guys, I want to tell you one thing. This is not just a course, it's kind of a community. We have several people of different age, of different classes, and these are all guys from different locations. And we are all joined together in online space and we are all sharing knowledge with each other. And every week I'll be mentoring these children on different aspects of life as well as on the coding skills also. So guys, sorry, Asrita, like how you feel our weekly sessions?
I feel very happy, joyful, sir.
Okay. So every week are you learning something new?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. So tell me, is really coding is very important in 2021 for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me few reasons for that?
Like for creating apps, for creating our own reputations and all, sir.
Okay. We need to have our own
Even-
website if you are running a
Yes,
business.
sir.
Very good. I think your dad is in mobile business.
Yes, sir.
Do you have your own website
No,
for
sir.
your store? No.
Yes, sir. We have a website for our store, sir.
You have website for your store. Very good. Any mobile app you have for your store?
No, sir.
No. Then you should take the initiative to develop the mobile app for your store.
Yes, sir.
Because anyhow you are learning these coding classes.
I will, sir.
And how is your practice going on?
Very well, sir.
How many hours you are practicing every day?
Well, continuously for 4 hours, sir.
Great. So means concentrating 4 hours continuously on.
Yes, sir.
It's very difficult actually.
If I open, I am unable to close it, sir.
Very good. See, unless and until you don't have the passion towards that subject, you can't sit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, if your parents ask you to study, you'll open your book for I think 5-10 minutes hardly, and you will getting sleep. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
But at the same time, you can sit in a theater for 3 hours continuously.
Yes, sir.
and we'll never get bored. So this is actually the fun learning environment, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Fun learning environment, and every week we are sharing our thoughts with each other.
Yes, sir.
So like we have accountability partner system also. Like when you get any doubt, you can
Yes,
simply
sir.
post a request on the group, and people are ready there to help you. So have you struck anywhere while doing these practices?
Only once, sir. Till now
Okay.
I didn't. Only once.
Yeah. Like how you solved that actually? By your own, or you have taken
No,
help
sir.
from anyone?
I took help, sir.
From whom you have taken help?
Um, from you only, sir. I asked on
Okay, in our weekly session.
sessions. Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. So, Ashrita, can you show to your audience that what kind of coding you are learning and what you have practiced till now, so that our audience also will get an idea that
Okay,
how
sir.
you are learning the things.
Okay, sir.
So, I have given permission to share the screen. You can share the screen and you can show any one task actually which really excited you to work.
Okay, sir. I'm clearing all this, sir.
Okay, okay. So you'll write everything right from beginning.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. So you never done coding before this?
No, sir.
So totally how many rows are there here? How many
8,
lines?
sir.
8 rows of coding. Okay.
Row
So
one,
can you
sir.
explain like what is this first like?
Yes, sir. Here they given a picture and
Okay.
the question is we need to color it in black.
Okay. You need to
The shaded one.
shaded one, the gray color one. You have
Yes,
to
sir.
fill it with black.
Fill it with black, sir.
And for that you need to write some code.
Code, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is that code? Can you tell
As
me?
the shape is in square, we need
Okay.
to type square.
Square is the object name technically, if we can
Yes,
say.
sir.
Okay.
Square dot draw.
Okay. So guys, those who have knowledge of coding, then you might be knowing that draw is the function and whereas square is the object. Object dot function name you are calling. And you have passed 2 numbers. What are those? Can I know?
Yes, sir. The coordinates.
Coordinates
The
like
coordinates of x and y here, sir.
okay, okay, okay. Coordinates of x and y. 5, comma 1 you have given. Very good.
Yes, sir.
That's something, but there are 2 parameters you have passed. The first parameter indicates your x coordinate, and second one is nothing but the y.
Y coordinates.
Very good. I think it is quite interesting and very easy to learn.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. And if we do any mistake, is this platform itself is helping you?
Yes, sir. It will show in red color mark in that area, sir.
Very good. So I think in the first line we have 4 boxes, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So that is the reason you have written 4 lines of code.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So can we do one hack here? Instead of typing, can we copy paste our 4 lines and just change only the coordinates?
Yes, sir.
And let's do that. Because this is lazy people's technique, but lazy technique.
I didn't change anything, sir, like that until
Okay.
now. I'm only
Okay.
typing it.
You're just typing it.
Yes, sir.
So if you do copy paste, like you can speed up your work actually.
Yes, sir.
Control C is for copy, Control V is for paste. So those who have done MS Office, those who have done basic computers, I think you might be knowing this basic commands also. Or you can click on the cancel actually. Yeah. Yeah. Very good. So now coordinates will be 2, 2, isn't
2,
it?
2, sir.
2, 2, 4, 2. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
2, 2, 4, 2, and 10, 2 and 12, 2. Oh, very good. This really looks quite interesting.
Yes, sir.
Fine, the second line we have done. I think in third line, we have third and four, I think we'll get
Some more, sir. More.
like
We'll get
more number of lines
more
of code.
numbers, sir.
Very good. So you have done all these things in a first attempt, or it took some time to understand?
No, sir. First attempt, sir.
First attempt you have done.
Yes, sir. By learning from tips and description.
Okay,
And
tips
videos.
and description is also there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. You are starting with 2, 3 and 2, 4 is empty, isn't it? Or 4, 3, okay.
Yes, sir.
So guys, those who are watching this video, and if you feel that you also wants to learn coding something like this, then you can be part of our growing community. It's Code Junior. Guys, it's totally and purely a 1-year program, where in this 1 year you will be learning about 8 different courses. And through those 8 different courses, you will be learning JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Python, and data science. So these are the things which you are going to learn. And whatever I said right now, these are all the latest technologies which are presently required in 2021 for everyone. And if you want to be part of this technological revolution, then you have to start learn coding. So round 3 you have completed.
Yes, sir.
I think round 3 you can do copy paste so that you can save a lot of time.
Yes.
So guys, generally people feel that WhatsApp is free, Facebook is free, but let me tell you an $1 million point, they are not free. Yes, they are not really free. You are paying your time to them to make use of those WhatsApp and Facebook. And time is more valuable, guys. So don't waste your time on unnecessary things. Try to utilize your time in a better way. As Asrita said, she has spent nearly 4 hours of time. She is learning some 3 to 4 hours. Just imagine if you really learn 3 to 4 hours per day, then how your logical thinking will be improved. And this really will help you in future to build technological products. You can be the part of technical revolution. That's what the future is, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 4 more rows are there, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But it's it looks really very nice that you are typing each and every line by your own.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, this kind of things will increases your confidence level or not?
Yes, sir.
It will boost your confidence level. You will feel internally that yes, you are capable of doing things in your own way.
Yes, sir.
It's 5th row right now you're working.
Yes, sir.
6th, 7th, 8th, 2, 3 more rows are there.
Six, five.
And guys, those who are watching this video up to this, like if you are watching this video till this time, it shows that you are really interested in coding. Otherwise, people will watch the video for 1 or 2 seconds in the beginning and simply they'll close it. So if you're watching till this time, then let me tell you one important point. This Code Junior is a program which is meant for students from grade 4 to grade 12. Is it clear? But I have students from engineering background who have enrolled for this coding. The only reason is here our students are not taught with coding right from the school age. Of course, some private schools might be teaching, but every school is not giving the teaching, means the foundation of the coding. So that's the reason. See, this is an actually Canada-based company. This application is built by Canada-based company and it is used by nearly 30 plus countries across the world. So by keeping in Indian market, I say that even if you are an engineering student and if you are passionate in learning coding, then you can enroll for this program. This program will help you to visualize the code. Visualization is nothing but whatever you're writing there, immediately you can see the impact, the result you can see visually. And anything if you see visually, you'll never forget in your life. That's what the benefit of visual programming is. But I can see your confident level that in live you are just typing so many lines of code. I think it may reach to 70 or 80 lines.
Yes, sir.
So really hats off for our confidence level. So I think now we have only four lines maximum. 4 lines. So approximately if you count, there will be some 60 lines of code actually you have written.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Guys, it's almost done. I think she's typing the 8th row. And I think in 8th row, we have only just 2 lines of code. 8, 4, like 4, 8. And it will be something like 10, 8, 10, 8 or 11, 8. It's
now, fine. If I press on run, then it will be showing, sir.
Great. Okay. Now the code is running, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Code is running and
I still forgot 2, sir.
Okay. We got some mistake at row number 6, isn't it?
Yes,
let's
sir.
correct it. Let's see how to do correction also. Okay.
It's forgotten row 8. I'm now typing in row 8, sir.
Row 8 you are typing right now. Okay. Row 8 will be 8 and 10, 10 and 8.
Yes.
10 and 8. Very good. And row 6 it will be 9 and 6, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Super, guys. This is an artificial intelligence based platform, and this platform itself will correct everything. And if there is any mistake, it will let you know. And it's really awesome.
Yes.
Very good. I think there is one extra coordinates.
Yes, sir.
So that's the red color mark it is showing. The
Yes,
square at coordinates 11, 8. I think that's not required, isn't it?
Yes, sir. It will be showing red color, sir, if we do any wrong.
Okay.
And now again run.
Fine. If everything goes right, it's again 12.5. It's showing where it is. I think one extra line is the 12.5. Very good. But this is very nice platform so that we can learn things by our own. Very nice.
Yes, sir.
So once confirm this, validate.
Yes.
Awesome. So once you get, guys, congratulations and passed. It shows that you have done your task.
Yes, sir.
Like for every topic, there is a task like this?
Yes, sir.
For every topic, there is a task like this?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So Ashrita, you just tell to our viewers that how coding has helped you and what changes, what transformation you got after started learning coding?
Coding makes us quick in every topic, sir. Like we can learn the shortcuts, we can know the computer language, how it will understand, and we can improve our memory, sir,
Very
by
good.
remembering all those codes, where we should be use different types of codes, like changing the codes and all, sir.
Okay.
It
And
will sharpen our memory.
very good. And I think one of our student from our community said that, sir, coding will test your patience level,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So people who are not having patience, they'll drop in the middle itself.
Yes, sir.
Because typing 60 lines of code, is it clear, online live is not a joke.
Yes, sir.
It shows that you have a lot of patience.
Yes, sir.
That's nothing but is your coding is enhancing your real personality. It shows
Yes, sir.
what kind of person you are.
Like I can be patient, sir.
Okay. And it
I
tests
can
your
wait, I
patience.
can understand. Yes, sir.
Coding will test your patience also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And one more point said by one of our community member, they said that, sir, coding will take you in a direction, you'll keep on practicing the things till you achieve.
Yes, sir.
So patience and practice.
Yes, sir.
And I always say to my members that, see, everything is not for everyone. You cannot ask a monkey to swim and you cannot ask a fish to climb a tree.
Yes,
If
sir.
you do that, they'll think that they are idiots and they are fit for nothing actually.
Yes, sir.
So I want to tell it to everyone, like guys, if you are watching this video till now, then let me tell you one very important point. Don't force your kids to learn coding because everyone is learning. It's not for everyone. You need to have the passion. If you have passion for something, then only you can do it. Along with passion, you should have patience, and along with patience, you should do practice. This is, I think, a 3P formula.
Yes,
If
sir.
you want to really excel in coding. So Asrita, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time on Sunday. Why?
Thank you,
Because
sir.
at this time, people are, I think, they're watching TV. They are sleeping. I think 9:30 means
Yes, sir.
people are sleeping. But you have taken time and you have shown your skill to our audience, and I'm so very happy for that.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, and wish you best of luck for your future.
Thank you, sir.
Goodbye and take care.
Bye, sir.